Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we will learn how to make a digital hourglass using Arduino Uno. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, 5 LEDs, 6 resistors and one tilt sensor, along with a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to make this circuit. So let us see first of all how to connect this tilt sensor. So we'll connect the first terminal of it to this 5-volt power supply of this Arduino. Second one will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino through one resistor, and the third one will be connected to the 6 number pin of this Arduino. So in this way our tilt sensor is connected. Now let us see how to connect our LEDs. So we'll connect the cathode terminal of it to this GND pin of this Arduino through one resistor, and the anode pin of each of these LEDs to this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 number pin of this Arduino Uno respectively. And this way our circuit is connected. Now let us see the code. So this is our code over here. First of all, we have initialized the sensor pin to 6, in which the sensor is connected to this Arduino Uno. After it, we have initialized some variable to 0, that is the previous time, previous state and LED to 0. And the interval 300. It is in milliseconds. Now in this void setup function, we are using this for loop to configure the pin mode from 1 to 6 for the output purpose. And after it, the sensor pin we are using for the input purpose. Now in this void loop function, we are setting this current time to milliseconds. And now if the current time minus the previous time is greater than the interval, the current time value will be stored in the previous time, and we will make the LED high, and one after the each LED is high for some particular time. Over here we have defined it to the 300 milliseconds. Now if the state is not equal to previous state, means the state of the tilt sensor is changed, then we will make all of these LEDs low. And LED we will initialize again it to 1. So now when we will just change this, tilt this sensor, again the LEDs will start glowing from this red LED which is connected to pin number 1. And again the current time will be stored in the previous time variable, and the state variable will be stored to the previous state. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I'm clicking on start simulation. As you can see, after 300 millisecond, red, yellow, orange, green and blue. Now I'm tilting this. Again you can see all of these are started glowing one after each other after 300 milliseconds each. So in this way our digital hourglass will work. And we can also change this time settings from this. Let us see if I am changing this from 300 to 500 milliseconds. Now if I will click on the start simulation, you will see that after 500 milliseconds, these LEDs will start glowing in this way. So in this way, our digital hourglass will work. Thank you.